that when I go really high, my front teeth go so far over my bottom lip that I get like an intense overbite. Hello! Like that. Today I'm very excited because I'm cooking my Simon's absolute favourite dessert. Let's hope we don't break up because this will be a really sad video to look back on. But we're really happy, so it's okay. We're making sticky toffee pudding, but we're making it boozy and we're making it self-saucing. Say what? Now this technique I learned from the goddess that is Nigella. Don't we all wish we had her physique? Holy moly. Instead, I've gone for an oversized jumper. That's what you get on this channel. You lucky dogs, you. Right, so first things first, we're gonna make our batter. Simple, self-raising flour, 200 grams sifted, in we go. 100 grams of dark muscovado sugar. What is a sticky toffee pudding without dates? I've got here 200 grams of stoned dates. Any dates will do. Go medjool if you can, but any dates will do. And we're going to give those a rough chopping through. If you don't like big chunks of date, I get that. So you can whack it into a food processor and blitz it up and it will just blend into your batter. Okie pokies. And again, we're going to give that a stir through. Now, 150 mils of whole milk and 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. One of my favourite things ever. So a fork. So it's not a good whisking bowl. Alright, let's whack that in there and give it a good stir. Okay, we are not done yet. We got 50 grams of melted butter and I did say boozy. So I've got myself some dark rum here. This also works really nicely with a bit of whiskey, a bit of bourbon, earthy tipples. 2 cupfuls of dark rum. Probably don't give it to your kids, unless if you want them to sleep well. And give that a final mix as well. Right. Oh, it smells so good already. Okay, now, what you need to do is to grease a baking dish. Now, I've got a bundt cake tin here, which works really nicely as well. We're gonna take some butter. I'm just going to rub that around and we're just going to pour our lovely batter into the dish, making sure that you're getting a good distribution of all of the dates in there as well. Spread it around a bit. Give it a little tap. So it's all nice and even. Beautiful. Now, here's the weird bit. We're going to take another 200 grams of dark muscovado sugar. This is going to go directly on top of your batter. Okay, we're then going to take 50 grams of butter and I'm going to take little nuggets and just dollop them on top. You see? Oh my God, this is just like the best recipe ever. Like so. We're now going to get, straight from the kettle, just boiled, 500 mils. Fantastic. To that, we're going to add in another 2 cupfuls of rum, another blob of vanilla bean paste, and we're going to give that a mix. And you're going to pour this directly on top of your pudding sugar butter combo. This is going to go now into a preheated oven at 190 degrees centigrade for 50 minutes. 50. Goodbye, good luck. Oh, I've included some nice little slow-mo shots there for you. Enjoy those because this beast is ready for tucking into. Now, obviously normally a bit of custard on there, maybe a bit of cream, a bit of ice cream, whatever you fancy. I'm gonna go naked sticky toffee with that gorgeous sauce, and it is so saucy and so sticky. All of that liquid has melted down through. It's made the sponge super light, super fluffy. I'm salivating so heavily. Super moist, and just form this puddle of delicious boozy caramel at the bottom. I completely get why this is Sai's absolute favourite dessert. If you like this and you want to see more from me, then make sure you subscribe. I'm here every single Tuesday. Also, don't forget to check out Katie.Pix.com. If you subscribe to the newsletter, you can be in with the chance of winning amazing prizes every single month. What a great reason to sign up. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye! So much saliva in my mouth.